Hi, we have probably never met, so welcome. My name is Amanda, and I wanted to let you know exactly what to expect with my little corner of the beauty world. I specialize in undetectable makeup for mature skin. If you are looking for a system and you're looking for an application that is going to meet those needs, this is the channel that you want to subscribe to. I will be working very closely with a product line that fits all inside of a single compact, and I'll be teaching a method in order to achieve a very sheer, undetectable application that will target the things on your face that you want to have deleted, get rid of your distractions, but leave you with pretty glowing skin. If this sounds like something that you're interested in, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be launching a new video every single week in order to help you do just that. And I offer free color consultations. So if you're looking for a virtual assistant to be able to help you know exactly what colors you need in order to achieve this kind of makeup, that's my job. That's what I do. Hopefully I see you guys around this corner of the beauty world. And if you are looking for that undetectable finish, hit subscribe, say hi, tell me that you're sticking around. I'm excited to have you here, and I will see you online soon.